Let me show you how to connect Google Ads to Claude Fable 5 using the InsightfulPipe MCP, then build a client-friendly performance report from a full month of ads data. Go to InsightfulPipe Connectors. Click the Add connection, choose Google Ads, set the access level, then click Connect, then sign in with your Google account and grant access. Choose the Google Ads accounts you want to connect, then click the Connect button. Connected? Copy the InsightfulPipe MCP URL. In Claude, open Settings, go to Connectors, click the Add Custom Connector, paste the InsightfulPipe MCP URL, give it a name, then click the Add button. Connected. We will use Fable 5, Claude's most capable model, and get ready to write the prompt. Now write the prompt. Ask Claude to analyze your Google Ads performance over the last 30 days and build a client-friendly report with campaign metrics, an executive summary, key findings, budget waste, and clear next steps. Fable 5 loads InsightfulPipe tools, pulls 30 days of Google Ads data, and starts writing the report. Here's the report. Let's download it for the full view. Here's the report. Your Google Ads month, analyzed by AI agents. 39,000 in spend, 199,000 in tracked revenue, a 5.02 blended ROAS, 129 purchases, 130 demo bookings, and 58,000 clicks. The executive summary explains what happened. Brand-driven campaigns are dramatically underfunded at 23.5 times ROAS, while the flagship prospecting campaign works but carries 88% of spend, and efficiency slipped as the month went on. The bottom line, the engine is profitable but concentrated. Then a full campaign performance table breaks down every campaign by spend, impressions, clicks, CTR, CPC, conversions, CPA, and purchases. The month-end charts, daily spend versus revenue, and a weekly ROAS trend show revenue clustered in the first 10 days, with a leaner back half of June. It also visualizes share of spend, ROAS by campaign, clicks and conversions on a log scale, and cost per result, so budget concentration and campaign efficiency jump right out. The key findings section calls out the wins and warnings. Brand demand is the account's best asset but starved. The flagship works yet carries too much alone. Search beats PMAX on cost, and efficiency faded through the month. And the recommended next steps lay out exactly what to do. Scale the brand campaigns 50 to 100%, restructure the flagship prospecting, consolidate demo lead gen around the cheapest source, and eliminate the dark delivery days. Plus audit conversion tracking, refresh the connector catalog creative, and set an AI-monitored scorecard so the next month runs on numbers you can trust. That's a full Google Ads month, analyzed and reported by Claude Fable 5 and InsightfulPipe. If you'd like to try more MCP servers for your marketing platforms, visit InsightfulPipe.com today.